Guess what got delivered today? Get an SSD, bro. So, I got a 250 GB SSD from Western Digital, and we're gonna be me, strong independent woman, technical Ankkita at your service. I'm gonna be installing this on my own. Anurag is gonna be on the phone with me, but I'm gonna be doing it on my own. The physical part, so that is what truly matters. So that is what truly matters. Okay, बाकी सब मत देखना कि मुझे फ़ोन पे कोई बता रहा है. Ignore all that. मैं खुद कर रही हूँ. Let's go. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna be installing this with the help of Anurag Upadhyay's cam split, who lives in Bala, Chhattisgarh, if I ever go missing. And he's gonna be helping me out with this. Also, मेरा face नहीं दिखेगा इसमें because the height of the Joby stick that I'm using is kind of low and I'm tall for once. So you're just gonna have to focus on this part that I'm working on. Cool? Okay, Anurag. Help. Hi guys, this is Anurag. Anurag, turn it on. Yo, what's up? There's the camera, there's Anurag. Hey guys, this is what he looks like. Now, this is it. I need to take this off, right? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. I'm scared.
15 minutes later.
Wait, the screw is wrong. Okay, we're just gonna have to go with this screw because we don't have any other screw. We will try. अनुराग, ये तो बहुत छोटा है, ये तो एक डॉट है. इसको क्या मेरे इयररिंग के इससे निकालूं क्या? बताना कौन सा साइड टर्न करना है? अरे निकालने के, लूज करने के लिए कौन सा साइड टर्न करता है? क्लॉकवाइज, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज? मेरे से तो टर्न ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Many unbearable hours later.
Well, I have to go and get some screws now. So जब तक वो नहीं आ जाते तब तक तो ये SSD लगने से रहा. But yeah, please don't ask me मैं फ्लोर पे क्यों बैठी हुई हूँ. बस बैठी हुई हूँ. मैं नीचे आई थी टेबल के कुछ काम से टाइम पास करने. So a few days ago, I had a shoot for Intel and laptop का shoot. I guess you guys have seen बाकी सब के short videos of Zaya and I guess Gaurat War and other people. And मुझे भी मतलब एक laptop के बारे में shoot करना था. And I've had the laptop for a month. So I have been chilling with it एक महीने से. And I know everything about the laptop. And the day of the shoot, मुझे पता नहीं था उस दिन shoot है, but like they sort of like it was a spur of the moment thing. They were like कि आज कर सकते हैं क्या, you know, whatever. And I was like अच्छा ठीक है चलो कर लेते हैं. But मैं extremely sleep deprived थी. So I had already done a stream in the morning. मेरी दूसरी stream lined up थी शाम के लिए और afternoon का time था जब मैं सोने वाली थी. But we ended up doing the shoot in the afternoon and कुछ 6 videos थे जो shoot करने थे. 6 videos, simple short videos, ठीक है. 2-3 लाइन के. And पहले 2 videos got through it flawlessly. कुछ नहीं, just did it, you know. Obviously there are simple things about the laptop जो मैं mention कर रही हूँ और कुछ भी नहीं. So I already knew everything. It was not like I had to learn. I already knew everything. I read it and I ठीक है ये वाले स्क्रिप्ट में इसके बारे में बोलना है, ये वाले वीडियो में इसके बारे में बोलना है. So I knew वीडियो में क्या बोलना है. So पहले 2 videos I got through. And then 3rd video onwards, the sleep deprivation kicked in and this is what happened. Hey guys, this is Ankkita from Intel's Ultimate Score and I have with me the HP Omen 15. i7 10th Gen core processor. Wrong line. i7 core.
i7 core 10 gen processor.
i7 10th Gen processor. Hey guys, this is Ankkita from Intel's Ultimate Score. Hey guys, this is Ankkita.
Hey guys, this is Ankkita. This is the new HP Omen 15-inch, which is one of the smallest 15-inch, one of the most powerful 15-inch laptops at this size, just like this little shit right here.
Hey guys, this is Ankkita from Intel's Ultimate Score and I have with me the 10th Gen HP Omen 15, which likes to keep it cool during gaming, just like me. And this compact gaming beast and build is they've made this compact gaming beast in such a way that it has 3-sided airflow and 3-sided venting and 5-sided airflow. So don't forget to check out this dude. Why am I like this? Hey guys, this is Ankkita from Intel's Ultimate Score, and I have with me Rohan's phone that's ringing. So don't miss out on this one. Powered by the latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. Hey guys, this is Ankkita from Intel's Ultimate Squad, and I have with me the HP Omen 15 powered by the latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. I was recently introduced to this thing, the HP Omen Command Center, which lets you take complete control of your laptop, configure every bit of your gaming experience just the way you like. Pretty cool, right? Check it out. Once more, right? I have with me the HP Omen 15, which is pretty much a gaming wonder in itself. A 3-sided narrow bezel, audio by Bang & Olufsen. And what does it have? And the features like Intel's Thunderbolt